Hello everyone, this is Rider Guy, and I haven't been on Kimberly for a little bit. She's been standing in the garage for a good 6 weeks because of my surgery. It's kind of the first time that I've come out, and I'm just taking her around the neighborhood. I also got a GPS system for my birthday slash Christmas gift. My birthday is pretty close to Christmas. I wanted to kind of feel how I felt after the surgery. Just to see how my riding would be and how my pain would be. So far it's okay. And I'm also testing out the glare screen that I put on the GPS, and that's okay as well. So it doesn't feel too bad. I feel like I definitely could ride. I may need to wait another week or so. So I'm thinking after the New Year's, it'd be a good plan to get out there. And this reminds me of the old days when I first learned how to ride, when I was learning to ride. I would just stay in the neighborhood and wouldn't really go anywhere. A lot of people probably thought I was nuts and kind of like were wondering why I wouldn't get out of the neighborhood. And for me, it's all about the comfort level. So that's about it. This is Rider Guy. Happy 2023. Hope you guys have a wonderful year.